The reason I decided to attend is because I just went through a terrible part of my life here where I lost the ability to walk and I had to have a procedure done. Somehow a vein had attached itself to a capillary in my thoracic part of my spine. And so now I'm learning how to walk again and I had it fixed and I'm learning how to walk again, but I probably won't never be able to go back into the interior trim business, which I've had for the last 30 years. I'm in construction, home renovation, all that. I'm trying to figure out what am I going to do now? I mean, I just happened to uh, see Diego's, the video, which where I joined up, and I was impressed. I was like, I could do that. I really appreciate what you guys, as far as what my biggest takeaways is how the marketing that is something that I totally agree with, and I realized in my business that was the weakest spot, um, and I could have went so much further. But I would definitely say I would highly recommend this for anybody, really, especially like you say, we're in that time frame right now where there's still opportunity, and I definitely don't want to let opportunities pass by anymore. I've had two or three pass by, mostly with buying stocks in certain companies and whatever. But I'm definitely learning that the marketing is where it's at as far as starting a successful business. And I would say, as far as Damon and Diego, um, definitely highly motivated. Um, it's just it's inspiring. If they can do it, so can I. The way I look at it, so I got both ears wide open, and both eyes focused on you guys for the next 2 days. Well, today and then 2 more days after this. So I feel good about this. I know I can do this, make this happen. I have to. Thanks, guys.